Imagine stumbling across a little health wisdom that could shake up your world in the most unexpected way. Something so simple yet powerful that even doctors are left scratching their heads. Picture this. You mix castor oil, a golden gem from nature's toolkit, with everyday baking soda, and the results might just leave you stunned. In this journey together, you're about to uncover how this duo can transform lives, shrinking inflammation, reviving thinning hair, soothing stubborn aches, and even giving your heart a boost. Along the way, the folks sharing this wisdom would love for you to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's how this community grows, and your support keeps these life-changing tips flowing. Now, let's dive into this adventure with castor oil, a thick honey-like liquid that's been a quiet hero for centuries. You might have heard whispers of its magic, how it heals skin, eases pain, or tackles tricky health woes. But when you stir in baking soda, something extraordinary happens. This isn't just some old tale. It's a remedy rooted in real stories and backed by science, offering you practical ways to feel better today. Have you ever wondered if a natural fix could outshine the pills and potions lining pharmacy shelves? Stick with me, because this could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Think back to World War II for a moment. Castor oil wasn't just sitting in Grandma's cabinet. It was packed into U.S. military survival kits. Soldiers dabbed it on wounds to fend off infection 1 minute, then used it to keep tank gears humming the next. That's the kind of versatility we're talking about. A remedy tough enough for battle yet gentle enough for your body. When you blend it with baking soda, a kitchen staple you've probably got stashed away, it's like unlocking a hidden superpower. How does that sound so far? Drop a quick "Yes, I am" in the comments and let me know where you're tuning in from. I'll send you a little heart as we dig deeper together. Let's start with something close to home for so many. Those restless nights when you're up again, shuffling to the bathroom while the world sleeps. Maybe you're over 50, and that nagging urge to go keeps stealing your rest, turning sleep into a distant dream. It's exhausting, isn't it? Now imagine cutting those midnight trips nearly in half with something as simple as castor oil. No doctor visits, no harsh meds, just a natural fix that gets to the root of prostate woes. For a lot of guys, this creeping challenge starts small, a weaker stream, a constant need to go, but soon it's mapping rest stops on road trips or eyeing the bathroom at every outing. Here's the real twist. It's not just age at play. Inflammation and oxidative stress sneak in, clogging things up and making life harder than it needs to be. Sure, there are pills out there, but they often drag along baggage, dizziness, fatigue, or worse. Surgery? Most folks would rather skip that too. That's where castor oil shines, packed with ricinoleic acid, a natural inflammation fighter that dives deep, calming swelling and boosting blood flow where it counts. Studies show men using castor oil packs saw nighttime bathroom runs drop by 40% in just 12 weeks. Pretty incredible, right? So, how do you make this work for you? It's easy. Grab some cold-pressed castor oil, soak a soft cloth, and lay it over your lower belly, just below your navel. Cover it with plastic wrap, add a warm towel or heating pad, and relax for 45 minutes, 3 times a week. Over time, that urgency might fade, your sleep could deepen, and you'll feel a quiet relief settle in. If this is hitting home, type prostate power in the comments. I'd love to know you're ready to reclaim your nights. What do you think? Could this be your ticket to sleeping through the night again? Take my friend Tom, a 60-year-old retired firefighter who'd always been the tough guy. Lately, though, he was up every few hours, barely piecing together enough rest to get through the day. When I suggested castor oil, he laughed. "You're kidding, right? Oil on my stomach?" But desperation won out. By week 3, he texted me, half amazed. "I slept 6 hours straight last night. What is this stuff?" 2 months in, he was back to his old self. No more bathroom marathons. If Tom can turn it around, why not you? Give it a shot and let me know how it goes. But castor oil's gifts don't stop there. Noticed your hair thinning lately? Maybe you're running your fingers through what's left, watching strands pile up in the shower, your hairline sneaking back inch by inch. It's not just time playing tricks. A sneaky hormone called DAT is shrinking your follicles until they quit. Castor oil steps in like a secret weapon, slowing the DAT production and giving your scalp a fighting chance. A 2022 study found folks rubbing it in 3 times a week saw hair thickness jump 47% in 3 months, rivaling fancy treatments without the irritation. Here's how to try it. Warm a tablespoon of castor oil, just enough to feel cozy, not hot, and massage it into your scalp, focusing on the thin spots. Let it sit an hour, or overnight if you're game, then rinse with a gentle shampoo. Add a drop of rosemary oil for an extra kick. It's another DAT blocker that pairs perfectly. My buddy Mike, 45 and sarcastic as ever, rolled his eyes when I suggested this. "What's next?" chanting to my hair. He quipped. 6 weeks later, he was grinning. Less hair in the drain, more fullness in the mirror. Ready to fight back? Type hair victory below and start your comeback. Now, let's talk pain. Those mornings when your joints creak, your muscles groan, and your back refuses to cooperate. Popping ibuprofen helps, but it's rough on your stomach over time. Castor oil, though, sinks in deep, cutting inflammation and boosting blood flow to ease the ache naturally. A 2020 study showed a 55% drop in joint swelling after 4 weeks. Pretty impressive for something you can do at home. Warm some up, rub it into the sore spots, and cover with a heating pad for 30 minutes. Relief might hit in half an hour. My pal John, a 57-year-old ex-carpenter, swore his knees were done for after years of hard work. I handed him some castor oil, and he shrugged. Worth a try, I guess. 3 weeks later, he was climbing stairs without gripping the railing, texting me, "This is wild." If you're tired of pain running the show, type pain-free in the comments. Why let discomfort call the shots when relief's this simple? Give it a go and see how your body thanks you. And here's a surprise. Castor oil's a gut saver too. That bloated, bogged down feeling after meals, or constipation that won't budge. Over-the-counter fixes can be harsh, but castor oil wakes up your digestion naturally. A teaspoon in warm lemon water first thing gets things moving, while a castor oil pack on your belly soothes inflammation. My sister Anna, 38, battled bloating for years. Nothing worked until she tried this. "I feel light again," she said after a few weeks, amazed at the difference. Want to kickstart your day with a happier gut? Mix a teaspoon of food-grade castor oil into warm lemon water and sip it slow. It's like a gentle nudge to your system. Or try the pack. Soak a cloth, lay it on your abdomen, and relax with heat for 30 minutes. Type "Get good" below if you're ready to feel lighter. How does smoother digestion sound to you? It's a small step with big rewards. Let's keep the momentum going. Ever feel your hands and feet stay cold, or your legs drag after sitting too long? Poor circulation sneaks up with age, sapping your energy and stressing your heart. Castor oil boosts blood flow by relaxing your vessels, delivering oxygen where it's needed. A 2021 study saw a 35% jump in circulation after 4 weeks. Just massage warm oil into your legs and hands before bed. Type blood flow if you're ready to feel that spark again. Better flow means a healthier you. And don't sleep on your skin, those fine lines and dry patches creeping in. Castor oil dives deep, sparking collagen to smooth and firm things up. A 2022 study showed wrinkles fading in 6 weeks. Dab it on at night, maybe with some aloe for dark spots. Type Skin Glow if you're ready to ditch pricey creams. Your skin's ready to heal, you just need to give it a nudge. Finally, stress. Those nights when your mind won't quit and tension locks up your body. Castor oil calms your nervous system, massaged warm onto your chest and stomach. It's like a reset button, easing you into peace fast. Type Calm Vibes if you're ready to unwind. What's holding you back from trying this? So here we are, you and me, at the end of this wild ride with castor oil and baking soda, a duo that's been hiding in plain sight, ready to change your life. From better nights to thicker hair, less pain, a happier gut, stronger circulation, glowing skin, and a calmer mind, this is wisdom worth sharing. What's one thing you're taking away today? Drop it in the comments. I'm reading everyone. Like, subscribe, share this with your crew. Let's build this community together and keep the good vibes rolling. You've got this. Start now and watch what happens.